Renee, and I am back with another video, and I'm really excited to do this video today because this video is a Trader Joe's vegan haul. And this is also my first time going to Trader Joe's. I'm hot in this jacket. Like, oh my goodness, my pits. I got this jacket. It's cute, y'all. Tell me if it's cute. The pockets are so far back, which is so dumb of me. But I got this jacket. I thought it was super cute. It's from Peloton. Yes, I'm turning into one of those girls wearing the Peloton apparel, but whatever. Anyway, so yeah, so I went to Trader Joe's for the first time to I'm not getting tongue tied. So as you guys know, I think I told you guys, I decided to go to be vegan for 30 days, and I'm on week 3. And I'm gonna do a video on how I feel and stuff because I'm kind of over it at this point. But anyways, I was looking at like different places where vegan people go to buy stuff, and there was like Trader Joe's. So I was like, let me go to Trader Joe's. I've never been there before. I love going to a good grocery store, and well, honestly, I don't, because H-E-B is the best grocery store. Period. Point blank. Period. So I love going to H-E-B, the best grocery store. But I was like, let me try Trader Joe's. You know, let's see. So this is the stuff I brought, and I'm gonna show you guys it. So I feel a little bit indifferent because I've never been to Trader Joe's before, so I've never tasted any of this food. These are just stuff that people are like, these are the best things to get from Trader Joe's. So some of the stuff I have tasted because I went on Monday, it's not Saturday, and so I was trying not to eat any of it. But now I'm thinking about it, after I started to taste some of the stuff, I was like, I probably should have tasted all this stuff so I could give y'all a review, because some of the stuff that I have tasted, but anyways, I'll go for the stuff that I tasted first, and then the other stuff I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This is from H-E-B. If you live in Texas and you have an H-E-B, try this Just Made. It's called, the brand is called Just Made. And this is the Passion Dragon. It's like passion fruit and dragon fruit. It's really good. It's a juice. But I love this brand. Anyways, we're not talking about H-E-B today, although you know H-E-B, you're number one in my heart. Y'all really should sponsor me a video because I really be putting on for H-E-B, like for real. I need to get some stock in H-E-B. H-E-B. Anyways, girl, let me just get started. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I got, and mind you, these are the things I've already tasted, so they're gonna be open. They're not gonna be in the little thumbnail because I think they just look so ratchet. Like, why you got open food on there? But anyways, let's go. So the first thing I got was this Trader Joe's spicy chunky tomato and pepper pasta sauce. It was nasty, y'all. It was nasty. It was not good. I got it because I like spicy stuff and I like spaghetti, so I was like, oh, let me get a pasta sauce because pasta sauce is vegan. And I normally get the spicy pasta sauce from H-E-B, which is bomb. This literally, maybe because I don't know, y'all, this literally tastes like straight up like tomato. It didn't even taste like tomatoes. It just tastes like so like just naturally nasty. It was not spicy or anything, so I had to doctor this up. Like, once I put my seasonings and stuff in it, it was all right. But the H-E-B one, you just pour it in and just put like some like you really don't have to put anything on it, but you can, and it's good. I had to doctor it up, and honestly it didn't taste good until like I had some leftovers the next day. That's when it tastes good, because you know how when it sits and stuff. But definitely want to recommend this. It was not good, and I think it definitely was more expensive than H-E-B, so that's that. Then I tried this. This was a Trader Joe's dark chocolate sunflower seed Buttercups. These were actually really good. So y'all know I'm having issues with this lighting system. I don't know why it's doing this. I don't know. Is my camera dying? Okay, I'm back. My camera decided to die on me. I don't even remember what was the last thing I showed y'all. Oh, this Trader Joe's dark chocolate sunflower seed Buttercup. It was actually pretty good. The first bite, I was like, this is nasty. And I took another bite and I was like, oh, this is actually kind of good. So yeah, I would definitely get this again. It comes with 2. It was good. And what else have I eaten? Oh, this is open. So I ate it. This is the Trader Joe's Kung Pao Tempura Cauliflower. I don't know how to feel about it. So it's weird because the crust that they have on it is so bomb. Like, if it was some chicken in there, like real chicken, like if they made chicken wings with that, like boneless wings, I know that thing would be hitting because it was so good. I could sit in the air fryer. But the cauliflower that's in there, it literally tastes like cauliflower. Like it has no seasoning. Like it's literally just, they just like cook cauliflower in water and then put it in the batter. So it's like, it's just not seasoned. It just needs like some salt and pepper, something on the actual cauliflower. The batter is good. The batter, and then they have a sauce that comes when you put sauce. Sauce is good, batter is good. That cauliflower tastes like straight up cauliflower. It just tastes like hot cauliflower with no butter, no nothing. So I don't know. I really like that. I really was just eating the crust off it because the crust is bomb. Like, and it cooks really good in the air fryer. Like it really tastes like it's like fried. So whatever batter that they use to make this, super bomb. If you go to Trader Joe's, they have like kind of a chicken in it. I know that one is so bomb because just based off the cauliflower one, that was good. So anyway, the next thing I got is this Trader Joe's vegetable fried chicken. Is there a way for me to turn down this light some? Oh no. Okay. Maybe that'll help some. Let's dim the light. Ooh. What? Can I see better? Yes. Okay. Woo. Marchita. Like, she's right. Y'all probably like, I know this girl is not on here adjusting this camera while shooting this video. Yes, and I am. And you already know. She is not going to edit it out. So, hello. Welcome to Celestial Days channel. Anyway, so, yes, so much better. Oh. Okay, so this is the Trader Joe's vegetable fried rice. There's this girl on YouTube. Her name is She Natural. She Natural. She like makes vegan meals and stuff. That's where I got a lot of this from. She recommended this stuff, so I got that. I'm excited to try this because she has this like tofu fried rice recipe. Excited to try that. Got some cauliflower gnocchi. I like the gnocchi soup from Olive Garden, so I got that. I got this organic creamy cashew Fiesta dip. I haven't tried it, so yes. I've been like eating like chips and salsa like literally every day, so excited to try that. I got this vegan ranch dip. I used it on the chicken, on the cauliflower, and it's ranch dip, so it didn't really taste that great to me. It probably would taste better with like just like vegetables, like some carrots or some celery, because it's like real dippy. It's not real like ranchy, it's like real dippy. So yeah, I got these plantain chips because I love a good plantain chip. Vegan or not, I love plantains. I got these black bean tamales. Excited to try these. So like tamales, you know, San Antonio, what's up? I got these vegetable samosas. Samosas. S-A-M-O-S-A-S. Samosas. Child, I don't know, but they look so bomb. And they look good. They look real good. So I'm excited to try these. And I got this yellow jackfruit curry and jasmine rice. It has to use my hair on it because a lot of people recommended it. They said it was really good. It sounds weird, but it actually tastes really good. So excited to try that. I got some fully cooked falafels because I like falafels. There's this is it gyro or gyro? Some people say gyro, whatever. There's a food truck down the street for me that they be having some bomb falafels. Like they just have some bomb food, and it's just really good. Also, when I was younger, I took a trip with my church to Israel, and like they just have some good old falafels. Like I love me a good falafel. So anyways, I got this acai packet. This is Trader Joe's brand. They're unsweetened, which I prefer. Well, when I wasn't vegan, I liked it unsweetened because I would just put honey on it. But you know, I'm doing this 30 days vegan. You can't have honey, so I haven't had an acai bowl because I don't really know how I would sweeten it. So I'll just wait. I don't know. And I got these vegetable spring rolls. They have kale, edamame, mushrooms, and shredded tofu. I'm not a big fan of tofu, honestly, guys. Like, let me say I'm not a big fan because I made some like tofu sesame chicken, and it's actually really, really good. But like there's like a lot of like debate on like soy products, so I try not to eat as much like tofu and like soy and stuff like that. But I also be hungry because girl, eating vegetables all day is not it. I got these. They're empty. That was good. I ate these in like one day. Crunchy cinnamon squares. So I don't know if they're, so I read the ingredients and I look, everything in the ingredients is vegan, but I'm like, why does it not say it's vegan? Like, why is it not like when you Google like vegan things at Trader Joe's, that doesn't pop up? So I was just like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. But I Googled all the ingredients, all the ingredients were vegan, so I guess it's vegan. I don't know, I ate the whole thing, so if it's not, I guess I messed up in one day, but whole grain wheat and rice squares dusted with cinnamon sugar. And y'all, I was so stressed about this. Like, I literally was like standing there, like going through each ingredient. I was like Googling it. Okay, vegan friendly. Googling it, vegan friendly. I'm like, it says contains wheat. Don't have no dairy products, so. But it's so good. So I was like, that's so weird that like nobody has posted like, this is a vegan find at Trader Joe's. Unless it's new. I don't know. It just kind of had me a little perplexed. I was just like, ooh, child. Anyways, let's continue. I got this rice cauliflower bowl made with tahini sauce, marinated chickpeas. Oh my god, y'all. I got put on chickpeas. They're being vegan and they're so bomb. There's this like Indian like chickpea, like it's chickpeas with like tomato sauce, and I put it on quinoa. So good, like for real. This has baked tofu too and roasted onions, but a lot of people said this was good, so I got that. I got these Thai vegetable gyozas because every time I go get sushi, I always get these, and so I was like, oh, this is gonna be real good. And then I got this green goddess salad dressing. They said they have like 3 different kinds, and they said all 3 were good, so I was like, I'll try the little green goddess. And then I got some hash browns. Hash browns. I still gotta work on this lighting situation because now it's like you can see the products better, but it's like real dim, you know, like the lighting is not like, I can't even, y'all, like my energy levels, I can't even. It's literally Saturday morning. I actually have to, oh my god, it's 10:05. I have to go to the finger filling place. My appointment's at 10:20 because I got my license to carry, y'all. Boom. So I have to go do my fingerprinting and all that, so I'm excited. Yes, girl, I'm gonna be locked and loaded. Boom, boom. Somebody try to bust up in this house and be like, not in this house. This is God's country. I just watched this real quick. I just watched this thing on Netflix. It was called Deadly Games, Manhunter or something. It's like a new show. It's really good. Y'all should watch it. But like, it's like a lot of white people, and like they're like in this small town in North Carolina. Like they all about their guns, and they're like, this is God's country. These big old guns. I'm like, child. Anyways, but that's gonna be me. Well, not with a big old gun, but y'all, like, first off, I live by myself, and I be thinking, I watch a lot of true crime, so like I be a little paranoid and on edge, but like I need to hurry up because I have to leave. Like, oh my god, I'm late for my appointment. It's right down the street. But anyways, I was like, I just have to be more like, I need to protect myself. Like, what if somebody busted up in my apartment right now? Like, just kick the door down, because they be doing that on the TV shows. They be kicking people's doors down, and like if somebody kick my door down, y'all, I have nothing to protect myself. I got like knives and mace, but like I need like, you can walk up in here, like I need like I need a yak, a bazooka, a Uzi, and just be like, but then I'm also so scared, y'all. If I had a gun, I went to the gun range. That's how I got licensed. I went to the gun range, did the class, and y'all, I was scared shooting the gun. I was like, ah. So honestly, I had to be in a situation where I really felt my life was in danger, like to shoot a gun, because it's like really scary. I don't know how people be out here just murdering people, like, oh, I'm just gonna kill somebody that bow, like, yikes. But anyways, that's that. That was my Trader Joe's haul. I really have to leave. It's 10:07. I need to put some pants on. I still have my pajamas on, my pajama pants. And I can't dance, but anyway, so I'm about to go put some pants on, go get my fingerprinting done. Hopefully it doesn't come back. Hopefully I don't got no felonies and no warrants or nothing like that. Nah, I don't, y'all. She's good. But anyways, yes, that was my Trader Joe's haul. Like I said, I probably should have tasted this stuff first so y'all would have known if it tastes good or not. But then I was like, I would just have a whole bunch of unopened stuff. So yeah, that was that. But as I taste it, I'll let y'all know. And again, your girl is being vegan for 30 days, and I will see you guys later. Bye.